What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rev Rain, and today I'm ripping out my engine and seeing what's wrong with it. So as you can see, I've already kind of started. I'll roll some clips right here. I got some time lapses. Time lapses? Time lapses is a word, right?
Yeah,
time lapses. Yeah, I got some time lapses. I didn't film this part. I kind of forgot. I did that just in the past 20 minutes, but I got basically all this stuff out today. Drive shaft is unhooked, all fluids drained. Basically everything you need to do to take out the engine besides the engine mounts. So what I believe happened is this motor spun a bearing. I'm going to take the bottom end from this motor with 90k miles and put the top end of this engine and basically make a Frankenstein engine out of the two. And don't worry, I'm separating all of my parts and bolts and nuts all in different bags with labels, so you can see. So hopefully it should be easy to put that back together. Just as a little disclaimer, this video is not a tutorial on how to pull your engine. I'm just pulling it myself. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. I'm sure you can find some. I mean, I'm following them. Yeah, I've got quite a bit of it on a time lapse, so let me roll that right now.
Remember that part where I was telling you about washing shoes with chemical guys? Did you ever accept that? Cause I got you. Anyone needs their shoes waxed, the chemical guys? I got you.
Oh, I see it.
I believe I've got everything unhooked from the engine and it's ready to be pulled. I got the chain on these little engine brackets, and all we need to do left is use this bad boy to lift it up.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I've been struggling with this for, I don't even want to think about how long, but I think I finally figured it out. That motor mount was stuck on there, but I wiggled it loose, and now it should come up. Let me lift the tranny. Okay, so the motor mounts are completely off, so that's great. Okay, let me lower it a tiny bit, and then I'll try to pull it out with the tranny kind of like this. Gotta be careful to only lower it a little bit. All right, that's good. Now if I drop this, I think I can pull it a little bit. All right, if I pull it a little bit like this, kind of keep that stationary there and start lifting. Pull it a little more. All right, let's see, am I hooked on anything? All right, probably definitely hooked on something. Wish I had an extra set of hands. All my friends went home for the day. Okay, the engine, the motor mount is hooked on that thing there. Now if I raise it, it should come up. All right, just gotta pull it. Oh my God, do I have it? Let's see. Oh, I gotta disconnect this. Okay, looks like just that bolt. Guessing 12 millimeter. All right, everything should be disconnected. All I need to do is just pull it out. Fingers crossed, of course. Can never be too sure. All right, clear this frame. And it needs to be up more. Tranny looks like it's hitting there. So let me just see if I can pull it straight. May need to lower it a little bit. possibly? No? Okay. Alright. Keep her going. Oh, that's definitely rubbing. More. Actually, I should lower it. Teensy incy bit. That's good. Oh, we got it. Let's go. It's all disconnected. Need to raise it more. Oh, almost. Gotta lower it so the training will go through. Come on. All right, back a little further. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Did I just pull my first engine by myself? Let's go. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. I did it. Bro. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude, look at that. I don't have anybody to high five because my friends left, but I'll high five you guys. I got it. That's my first engine pull. Hell yeah. Oh my God. Look at all that oil. This side, no oil leak. That side, big oil leak. I'm gonna lower this down onto the floor so it's not hanging all night, but that's a successful engine pull. All right, so I'm gonna be turning over my engine and I heard a bit of a clanking noise, so I don't know. There it is. There it is. Oh. That might be a rod bearing. I gotta check. So I was originally gonna use this oil pan because I had my oil fitting here for my drain for my turbo, but I'm an idiot and I put one of these kind of shorter bolts into here. As you can see, it only sticks out like 2 or 3 threads maybe. I put it in there and look what it did. I don't know if you can see that, but it chipped off a piece of my oil pan. So I'm gonna have to use this oil pan and drill into here and tap another one of these. So luckily I got 2 oil pans, but it kind of sucks that the one I previously drilled and is fine broke, but whatever. Also, another thing is this is an engine out of a 93 with a long nose crank. This is an engine out of a 91, I believe, with a short nose crank. So they have the same block, but the crankshaft is different. The end of it is shorter and smaller on this one, bigger and longer on that one. So different pulleys, different accessories, and they won't work together. So I've either got to see if that block is, or that crankshaft is fine and put it into here, or get another long nose crankshaft. The reason why I don't think it's fine is because I spun a rod and I spun a bearing and the bearing is right on the crankshaft.
It's got the long boy. 10 millimeter long way. Oh God! Oh, oh my God! Good job.